In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to use loudness normalization in Audacity. So let's select this video and play it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how you see this audio is not normalized well. If you would like to normalize loudness, we need to select the part that we want to edit. So I will select this part of audio, and after that I go to Effect. I need to open Volume and Compression, and I need to select here Loudness Normalization. I click here, and then we need to set here Normalize Perceived Loudness, and I recommend you to set here -25. Now I click Apply button, and how you see my audio has been successfully normalized here. So let's play the track again. I click on this one audio, and I click Play button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How you see this effect is really great, and my audio sounds better now. It's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a software problem.